Hey guys. Hey guys, it's Amy Deb, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. We are at my granny's house tonight and we are making one of our favorite things, the easiest recipe in the world. These are carnivore style tuna patties, guys. Carnivore style tuna patties, and I'm fixing to show you how easy they are to make. We have got some tuna, about 10 ounces of tuna. We added just a dash of hot sauce and we're putting in 2 eggs right now. As you're jumping on, let me know where you're watching from and what you're doing for dinner tonight that's low carb or keto friendly. These are delicious and they're so easy. You can cook them for dinner. You can cook them for lunch. You can have them anytime because they're just so fast. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. That's it. So we've got 2 eggs. We've got about 10 ounces of tuna. Just the tuna that comes out of the tuna packages. The tuna in water or tuna in oil, it doesn't matter. But we got about 10 ounces of water. 10 ounces of tuna. We got 2 eggs, and we're going to put in about a half a cup of cheddar cheese. And guys, that's it. We did put a splash of hot sauce in there only because me and Granny like a little hot sauce. Guys, when you make these, you can fry them up in your skillet, and literally that's it. All you have to do is eat them and enjoy them. Now, me and Granny do like to put a little dollop of hot sauce on the top of them after they've cooked, just to give them a really great flavor. If you want to put a dash of salt, you can do that too, which I am. A little dash of salt. And look, I should have got a bigger bowl to mix this, but I didn't. So this is going to be really hard to mix in this small bowl, but I was being goofy for some reason. I am over at Granny's house tonight. I told her that we're going to cook her favorite dinner. So I've got some fried green beans over here. I'm fixing to show you my skillet green beans, and we're making these tuna patties. So guys, if you love tuna patties, in the comments, tell me you love tuna patties. I'd love to know if you love them. Just say love them. And if you have your favorite tuna patty recipe that you would like to share in the comments, give us your recipe. I would love to know your recipe. Guys, this one is so easy and absolutely delicious. I mean, why would you not want to try something that only has 4 ingredients? You've got a half a cup of cheddar cheese. You got a dash of salt, which I don't even count as an ingredient. You've got 2 eggs, 10 ounces of tuna. I use white meat tuna. And then if you want to add a splash of hot sauce, you can, but that's it. That's it. We're just going to mix these together, and we're going to create our patties. Now, we're going to fry them over here in this skillet with a little bit of avocado oil. You can use butter, too, if you want to. And we're just going to fry them until they are ready. So you just cook them a couple of minutes on each side and serve them up hot. Now, me and Granny, we like to, after they're done cooking, we actually do like to put a little dollop of hot sauce and spread over the top of them. We love a little spice. Granny and I both do. I'm fixing to show you the skillet green beans because they are ready and smelling delicious over here. If you guys don't know, y'all know Granny has been under it. I'm telling you, that girl, she's just been fighting and fighting and fighting, all kinds of stuff. She broke her darn foot. So Granny broke her darn foot. And she's working a little, what do you call that, a post? Yeah, look, Granny said, Granny's mad I'm telling the tea. I'm sharing Granny's tea. So Granny broke her darn foot. And I think she likes it because Granny likes some attention, y'all. Granny, did you break your foot on purpose? She's laughing. Haley's over here aggravating too. So me and Haley are here aggravating, but we're cooking too. So we're going to have some fun little girls time over here at Granny's house. So guys, as you jump on, let me know what you're doing for dinner tonight that's low carb or keto friendly, and tell me if you love tuna patties. These are like the best and easiest tuna patties. So we have 2 eggs, about 10 ounces of tuna, a half a cup of cheddar cheese, a little dash of salt, and a little dash of hot sauce. That's it. So we're going to take this now. I just stirred it all up together. My hands are filthy. So we're going to take these.
Granny wants to know why you telling her business.
I'm spilling the tea. I'm spilling Granny's tea. She's wearing a post-op shoe because she can't wear a walk-in boot, and it's it's one little part of her foot, so doesn't need surgery, thankfully, because Granny don't want surgery. But we gotta take care of this foot, so we're just spoiling Granny tonight with a good dinner. All right, so we got the tuna. We're gonna go ahead and make a couple of patties. They are a little liquidy, if you want to call it that, a little liquidy. You can add more tuna if you want to. The eggs really kind of liquefy it. It's no big deal though. We're gonna let this fry up, and you can make them as small or as large as you want to. Hear that, guys? Tuna patties for the win tonight. Granny and I love these. I hardly ever cook them at home because Ricky is not a huge tuna fan, and I love tuna. So I really only cook them for Granny. One thing about the tuna when you open up your tuna package, make sure you drain the water. If you've got tuna packed in water, make sure you drain that water. Oh, making a mess. Make sure you drain the water so that it's not as liquefied. I forgot to do that, so that's why it's got a little liquid in there. All right, I'm trying to cover up the camera there. All right, ooh, meatloaf and asparagus steamed. Then we'll put garlic, lemon, butter. Ooh, that sounds delicious. All right, we can only do so many of these at a time. So I'm going to start my skillet with the 4 of these. I got maybe 1 or 2. No, I got 1 left. I might try to scoot them over and make another one. Let me wash my hands real fast. I want to show you these skillet green beans. Hang on 1 second. I'm going to turn my camera because Granny doesn't love being on camera, y'all. She loves girls' night. She loves talk. She don't like that camera. All right. I'm going to show you these green beans, and guys, this is a delicious dinner. It's one of mine and Granny's favorites to fix. So let me show you these green beans. Look at these. It's skillet green beans. All you do is slice up some onion, and you put your fresh green beans in. You heavily drizzle with avocado oil so they don't stick, and all you do is season them with salt and pepper. That's it, guys. You just let it cook, stirring occasionally, letting those onions wilt and those green beans get soft, and I'm talking about goodness. We love the skillet green beans. It's our favorite. All right, we got our tuna patties, we got the skillet green beans, we got dinner going on. Fast, easy, delicious. Guys, if I can help you in any way, just make sure you send me a message. Yeah, drain the tuna. Yes, drain the tuna, Linda. All right, guys, if I can help you with anything, just send me a message. I'm here to help you guys. If you're new to my page and you want some getting started tips, say getting started in the comments so I can help you get started. I've been living this lifestyle for over 6 years now, eating great food that is fast and easy to cook, lowering my carb counts, moving from a size 12 to a 4-6, maintaining, guys, for over 5.5 years. I love to share recipes with you. I love to inspire you, and I love to share my favorite tool, which is ketones, and I'll be glad to give you some info on that. Just say getting started for the details, and guys, I'm so excited to help. I'm going to jump off here so I can enjoy my Granny and enjoy Haley, and y'all have a great night. Bye.